I'm Cristiano,
And I am Andrea.
and we are Picky Wops. We are 100% plant-based, we are vegan. And today we are at the Brixton Vegan Market, serving our pizza to South London crowd.
We are using Rockbox since July 2017. It was really small, one pizza at a time, really powerful. It's 90 seconds to cook a pizza. We've been cooking like thousands and thousands of pizzas. That's why we chose it.
So the future is vegan, 100%. For us, it's an evolutionary step. I used to be head chef and executive of one of the top 10 best barbecue restaurants in the country, so I was taking the mick at vegetarians. At the beginning, I went vegan personally for health reasons, like environmental, love for the animal, and be against violence as well. It's been a big part of it, of my decision.
Let's say that in Italy there is thousands of different ways to do pizza. There is from Rome, from Naples, from North Italy. This is, let's say, a mix between the Napolitan and the Roman one. The crust is not too big. We take all the ingredients from Italy and we pre-cook some of them just to have an extra flavor.
We participated to a contest in December 16 in Brick Lane, where we've been the only one bringing vegan pizza to the competition, and we ended up second. We ended up to be mentioned as the best vegan pizzeria in the world 2017 on Epic Cow, which is the most famous vegan guide in the world.
Basically, at the moment, we are around London in some market on pop-up, and we hopefully gonna have a permanent location soon. Yeah, if you follow us on our social media, Facebook, Instagram, under the name Picky Wops, you can see all our
Progress.
Yes.
So